Welcome, third graders. Today we are going to play a workplace game to practice our rounding skills, and it is called Round Ball. So today I brought a special partner, Bess. Bess is going to play Round Ball with us. So I picked Bess because Bess starts with a B, just like basketball. And we're going to play some indoor basketball today. So get ready. Here we go. So I am going to show you how to play our game. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to play round ball. We're going to round to the nearest 100 today. So here's how you play. You're going to pick 3 cards and there's some strategy to this. So I'm going to model for Bess how to do this. Now I'm going to round, I'm going to pick an order that they go in. So I'm going to pick 593. So you can move your cards around because the goal is to get all your baskets filled. So I'm going to pick 593. So I'm going to look at the hundreds place, which is the 5. I'm going to look 1 behind it. If it's 5 or higher, add 1 more. So it looks like I'm going to add 1 more. That means I'm going to go to 6. So my choices were 500 or 600. So I'm going to go to 600. Now, if it was 4 or lower, I would just ignore and the number would stay the same. So now what I'm going to do is take 593. I'm going to grab my pen, make sure it's facing downward, and I'm going to write, see, obviously we're not facing downward. I'm going to write it right under here. I'm going to write 593. And obviously you can type it too. Now, I'm done with that. So I'm going to X out of that. And now I can click and drag these, or I can double click and drag that and then click here. All right, so now I got rid of those. Now it's your turn, Bess. You're gonna shoot that basketball, see if you can land in a basket. So I'm gonna pick 9. And by the way, if you don't know, Bess is a beanie baby. And let's see, I have 9, 2, 3. I think I'm just gonna keep them in this order. I think I'm going to keep them in this order. So my partner says keep. So I'm going to take the digit behind it. Again, I'm going to look right behind and it's a 2. So that means it's 4 or less. That means the number is going to stay the same. It's going to stay a 9. I'm not going to change it. So it's going to be 9 followed by 2 zeros as 900. So over here, I'm going to put 923. So now we have 2 baskets filled. And then what I'm going to do is get rid of that. Actually, I better do some erasing because I did some extra drawing right there. And obviously I can erase it all if I wanted to. Now I'm gonna get rid of my box and we're gonna delete each one of these cards. Now it's Mrs. Glazier's turn. Pick. Ooh, I got a 1. Sweet. 7, 9. Let's see. I already used the 600, so I don't want to make it to 600. I'm going. Ooh, I think I should try for the 1,000 one. I'm going to try for the 1,000 one. So I got 971. So I look 1 behind it. I know it's a 5 or greater, so that means it rounds up to 1,000. So I'm going to take my pen. I'm going to draw in 971. And now it's your turn, Bess. So we're going to get rid of these cards. Boom, boom. And your turn, Bess. 5, sweet, 8. 8, 5, 8, 5. And I can move these around, maybe put them in a different order. I already got the 9 taken, so I know I don't want to do 855 because that would round to 900. So I'm going to put it back here, 558, and I'm going to look 1 behind the 5. It's a 5, so that means I need to go up. It's really 50 and greater. You're going up, so I'm going to go to 600. So I'm going to put 558 here. Now you're going to continue playing against your partner, your furry partner, or maybe you can find somebody in your house to actually play the game with you until you finish all the baskets. So let's say you can't, you get a repeat, like you have them all filled up and all you have left is 900. and you get 3 cards that you can't round to 900, then you skip your turn and your other person has to go. So you're going to continue play until you are done. And then at the end, you're going to obviously screenshot your board. So make sure you save your board so we can see how you did. And you can also, like, let's say I was the winner, you can also circle it and show that, ooh, winner, winner, chicken dinner. And you can put LL, loser, loser. That's all right. Losing is okay. All right. Hopefully you have fun like Bess and I did playing our round ball hundreds.